So let's make a quick market update here, seeing that there are some potential interesting setups here on the S&P and on the Bitcoin as well. On the S&P 500, we recently tested these low levels again here around the 2600 area, and even we spiked below here the 26. What was it? The previous low was 2608 or something like that. And we went all the way down to about 2585 here. And basically what we want to see now is kind of a rally from these oversold levels here on the 4-hour chart. And if we use this Fibonacci tool that we've been using before as well, if we take it from the recent highs here down to this bottom, if we can take out this 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is around 2716, it can potentially give us a sign that there's more upside to come, and we will again challenge these higher levels, and this time potentially even break higher and go higher for the rest of the year. Of course, it's only speculation at this point, but it seems like the risk reward is pretty good here for a long setup, at least short term. But if we fail to kind of power above here, we could be in trouble again, and we need to go lower, and who knows. But it's just a heads up here, and it seems in the short term the risk reward favors a little bit of a bounce back, and then we'll have to see if the bounce back is something bigger or not, right? But keep an eye on this 2715 kind of thing level. That will be the key going forward. And if we look on the Bitcoin chart here, we have it's starting to perk a little bit higher. We turn green down here as well on this indicator, and so it could also be here that we have kind of we have tested enough here now down here at this 3300 level, 3300. This was the area that we were talking about the other day, that after we failed to hold these Fibonacci levels down here, that we might need another retest of these previous lows here. That's what we did, and it's starting to move a little bit higher here, and so potentially we could be in the area where you can even get a medium-term buy setup. But we're only looking at the short term here, so we'll start on the short term charts, and then we can work our way higher on the daily and the weekly. But for now, we're going to keep it here on the 4-hour, and just observe that if we take out the previous highs around 3600, 3585, something like that, we should see at least like some kind of a movement up to the 4000 level. And I think on the daily, we had some levels there as well that we needed to take out. Yeah, I mean, here you have quite a big positive divergence on the daily, which is kind of interesting. If you want to follow this kind of this setup here, with the green here, when we're trading below the 200 Bollinger, you really need to see a move above 43, 42, 43 to get kind of the clear signal where we're out of the woods here. But of course, it can be very profitable to kind of go against the crowd here and kind of start a position, and then you add to the position once you get the actual buy signal here. So just something to keep in mind, and it starts to look kind of interesting on both of these, both the S&P and Bitcoin here. And of course, if Bitcoin goes higher, it will pull a lot of other blockchain projects as well with it towards the upside. So good luck, everyone.